Simplify 3 times the square root of 28 plus the square root of 63. Now, in order to add terms that have radicals, they must be alike. They must have the same index on the radical, the same value underneath. Now, we can simplify each of these by pulling out perfect square factors. Let's do that. 28 has a perfect square factor of 4. 28 is 4 times 7. 63 has a perfect square factor of 9. 63 can be written as 9 times 7. Now let's look at this first term, and let's pull out that square root of 4 value, so that we have 3 times the square root of 4 is 2. The 7 stays underneath the radical. With our second term, the square root of 9 is 3. The 7 stays underneath the radical here. So out front, multiplying our number terms, 3 times 2 is 6. Take that times the square root of 7 plus 3 times the square root of 7. And now these terms are alike. They both have square root of 7 with a numerical coefficient out in front. So let's add those coefficients. 6 plus the 3 gives 9 square roots of 7. So the simplified form of 3 times the square root of 28 plus the square root of 63 is 9 times the square root of 7.